My name is Georgi Savov and I'm working here in Oscarel like a project manager. I work here almost 10 years. I think with this new technology, the mixed reality, everything will be a lot easier because first of all, you don't need to check all the paperwork and not following all the connections and equipment marking and so on. You just need to be in front of the cabinet and look left to right to see everything that you need in one device in front of your eyes.
Hello, my name is Mario Vutov. I work as a design engineer at Oscarel. I work for about 4 years till now. I tried the HoloLens glasses here at the Oscarel, and I think it's a lot easier than the paperwork because everything from the inside of the paperwork are inside the glasses. And when you put the glasses, you can see the virtual cabinet next to your real one. You only have to follow the instructions. You can see the right position of the elements on the virtual one and on the real one. It's the same with the wiring. When you open the wiring, you can see the start point and the end point and the road of the wires with their names and from which element to which element. And I think it's probably we can use them in the future.
The HoloLens mixed reality is very interesting, and yes, I think in several years it can become a very useful product here in our company, in our manufacturing, because it will shorten the lead time of every project. It will increase very much the quality of every product that we are making, and it's very easy to use. I try it and I think it's very good.